you are doing very well. So let's go ahead and continue our journey to build Box Ocean web application. In this lesson, I'm going to create a shop page, and as well I'm going to use the power of the partial, and I'm going to create the products table and the seeders, and also we're going to do some fixes for the login page and import the full strap library. And as well we will make this menu dynamic. So let's go ahead and continue. So in the last lesson we have this lovely page. Okay, the first thing, I'm going to create a new page for the shop page here. So first thing, close this, yes, and I'm going to copy and paste this. Okay, I will call this shop, and I will cancel this. I'm not going to add to get, and I will go to the this page partial. I will going to delete all of these all together. Okay, and we have this page now. Okay, cool. The first thing, I'm going to create a controller. Okay, PHP arts make controller shop controller. Okay, and this created the shop controller for us. Let's visit this one, shop controller. I will create the index method. Okay, index, and what going to do here to return the view, right? Okay, the view, which is basically shop.index. Okay, which is view, come to this directory and shop and index page. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, let's define a route for this. We have this here. Okay, I will grab this and I will use shop controller. I don't like this path here, so let's import it so we can reduce the code a little bit. Okay, so this one and this one as well. Okay, cool. So let's define the route. I will call this shop for now, and here will be shop.index. Okay, and I don't like this one here, so let's make it index as well, so to be a little bit consistent. And okay, cool. So this will direct me to the shop controller. Okay, so I will go to the app blade. Okay, so we need to make this route dynamic. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the app and look for this here, shop. Yeah, cool. Yeah, here I'm going to use Laravel syntax route, and we have shop.index. Because we are here, let's fix this as well. So not index, and I will call this home.index, and I have spell error here. And see, let's see what's have here. So home, it's working great. Shop, okay, cool, very good stuff, very cool stuff. So we have if I click the shop here, okay, we have cool, we have the shop like this, which is good. Okay, cool. So we have the shop that is identical for same as the home, but we need to change it to have the category page or the shop page, blah blah blah. So I'm going to go to the template. Okay, the template, yeah, this is the one. Okay, I'm going to, okay, I will copy and paste this bad boy here. So I copy the main. Okay, and I will go to the yeah, this one. Okay, and I will make paste like this. Cool. Let's go to the website check again. Okay, cool. So this is the home page now. So this is the category page or the shop page. Okay, this is the shop page. If I go to the home, so we have the home. If I go to the shop, we have this category. Okay, one last thing, guys. One last thing. I'm going to add the slag, because sometimes the user click in the specific category in the filter here. Okay, we need to do like slag here, for example, fiction. Okay, and this might be nullable. Okay, so let's do just that. I will go to the routes. Okay, and in here I will define slag, okay, like this. Okay, slag. Okay, and this, if I go in here, I will get an error because this we haven't passed the slag to it. Okay, we need to make it nullable. Okay, and we get another error. Okay, we don't get error. Shop, cool. Okay, And now if I go to here, I want to receive that using Slack. Okay, I want to use Slack, sorry. Let's make it here. Let's dump this in the browser and see blah. Okay, so he need that parameter. If I go here, we get this from the URL. Cool. Now sometimes we didn't pass this. What will we need to do is to make it nullable. Okay, in here. So sometimes we don't pass this. Okay, so far so good, guys. So far so good. Okay, let's see what we have here. Cool. So we have this is the shop, and we have the shop page, and what we're going to do is what the second in the agenda, make partial for the shop page for easy development. Okay, if I go to here, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. If I want to do the partial here, partial view, it's not too bad. So I will keep it. It's not too bad, too much code here. Okay, so it's very, so we have the filter, we have this, we have this. Okay, so let's go ahead and throw. So this is the filter. Okay, it's all filter. Okay, so I will keep it as it is. It's not bad at all. Okay, cool. And we have here, of course, we have in the second part here is the okay, guys, I will do two partial here. I will do the partial. I will grab this. Okay, I will include and shop partial. I will call filters. Okay, and I will go quickly here and create filter.blade.php, and I will paste this here, and I will do another one. I will call this products. Okay, and I will go here and I will grab this as well in here, and of course we will lose something here, I believe. Yeah, we lost this, which is good, and grab this, and let's include the products as well, and we should really hopefully to have them. Okay, cool. So we have both of these. So this is not dynamic, so this is static, right? Okay, so I will create the products table migration. So PHP artisan make migration. I will call this create products table, as simple as that. Okay, and what we have here, we have mistake migrations without okay, cool. So create a migration. I want to go directly to the migration where the database routes. Yeah, this one, and I will go here and I will define. What we have, guys, so we have a name, we have an author, and we have price. So let's make the name of the book. Okay, okay, I should call this a box. Okay, so not I will delete this. Okay, and I will make again box, not so box. Okay, so we have it now. Okay, cool. So let's do add new field name and author, and I will do price, and what we have else, a price, and that's it. Yeah, author, book, and image as well. Yeah, we have image path. Okay, or image name, and what we have here is the price, which will be float, and image name, blah blah blah. So all this is not nullable. Okay, so, and the second thing, guys, I want to do the category, because we add the slag. Okay, we need to add slag here for the category. Okay, and cool. Yeah, so we have defined slag here, a new field. Okay, because we need in here, when he go back, the user go to the shop page, sometimes he has click in specific category. So we pass the slag here, and this will be clarified in the next lesson. Okay, so cool. So far so good. Okay, we create the migration for the box. Okay, and what we're going to do is to recreate the database from scratch using this lovely command. I believe is migrate fresh. Yeah, and let's before do this, okay, let's do it. Okay, we have an error. Slag doesn't have default value. Yeah, makes sense. So let's go to the category Cedar and define add slag here, because the table we add a new field called slag, and this shouldn't be null. Okay, I can use function, I believe, slag from str facade. Okay, and okay, yeah, cool, and this will be do the trick. So this will basically will do the slag for us. I will show you the slag in the moment. Cool, it's created all the thingy here. So let's go ahead and see what happened. Yeah, you see this is the category, this is the new field, and the slag. You see the slag? So this URL friendly. Cool. So far so good. Now we have, let's make a bracket Cedar, bracket or box Cedar. Okay. Artisan make Cedar. Okay. Cool. And let's grab this, for example, and go to the Cedar bracket or book Cedar, and I will paste this. I'm not going to do like this. Okay, I will create a model for the book so we can deal with it. Make model, and this will be book. Okay, so we have book here. Okay, so let's do the same here, box and book as well. Name, we need slag as well for the bracket. Okay, we need slag as well. So here, not for the bracket, for the thingy, this slag. Okay. Okay guys, so here is just a repeated code. What I'm going to do is to fill the bracket here. Okay, and here will be book, for example, or we have to do it. This is not going to work as a loop. So okay, so we have, for example, what I'm going to do is to go here and grab this, for example, okay, like this, and the author or the slag like this. Okay, and we're going to do is the same here, price 55, and finally we will do the what we have else, slag, not this one but this one, image name. Okay, so the image name, I will go to the folder. The current image, guys, is reading from, if I go to the public, so this is the static image that we have from images gallery. Okay, so we have these the current product that we have. So I will grab this and I will call this, okay, I will call it product one. Okay, and I will grab it like this, and I will put here product one.jpg. And yes, this the first one, and the second as well, and third. I will fill some and come back in a moment. Okay guys, so I rename all the files here. Instead of do this, I will do for loop. Okay, very quickly here. So for, and I will start with 1, I equal to, I need to run it 10 times. I will increase it by 1. Okay, and like this. Okay, and because this product 1 2 3 blah blah blah. So the image here. Okay, and yeah, so the image will be, let's use this because I want to use a variable, and I like this or like this. Okay, cool. And what we're going to do here is the same here, maybe the book name, maybe. Okay, and do I as well here. What happened here? It doesn't like this. Oh, sorry. So here slag, and okay, here. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah, cool. So we have our Cedar ready to create us 9 lovely product, and to make the price little bit it's not all 55. Let's do like this. Okay, let's go maybe 10. Cool, so far so good. So let's, before run this, we need to call the very quickly the database seeder, I believe. So in the seeder in here, okay, yeah, I will define the book as well, and let's see if this work. So we have the product here, or the book, sorry, we'll create. So let's create the database from the beginning using this lovely command and seed all, and we have an error. Let's see the error. str not found. str not found, this one. Okay, let's do it again. Another author doesn't have default value. Okay, so the author here doesn't have. Okay, we'll call it build real app or whatever. Build real app. Okay, cool. So let's check our table if he created successfully. So go to the box, go here, ocean, and we have a box, and we have all the product for us, which is great chance to make this now dynamic. So let's go ahead and do just that. So I will go here, close this, and chop controller. For now, I'm not going to use the slug, okay, but leave the slug for now. So we need to show all the products. What we're going to do is get all the products from the database, okay, using eloquent, not but box, okay. And also because I need the slug, I don't need the slug for now. Okay, so let's keep it like this for now. Okay, so cool, we have like this. So this should bring us all the products, and I will go in here, okay, because we have the best selling here, so all the stuff here. Okay, so second to blah 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 blah. I don't need all of these, I just only need one, which is like this. Okay, let's see what happened. Cool, we lost our image, but that's completely fine. Okay, so let's delete this as well, and okay, we have this. Cool, I can fix this very quickly. Product 1, we have our image, so let's make it dynamic now. So this bit we need to make dynamic, this one I believe. So let's see. Yeah, cool, yeah, exactly, this is the one. Yeah, so let's make it dynamic. So let's loop, okay, using for each. So we have box that we pass it to this thingy view, okay, and in for each. Okay, and see what's happened. Okay, cool. So undefined blah 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 blah. So we don't have box here, although we have pass it in here. Oh, box. Cool, so we have 9. So let's change this very quickly. Okay, so I will back here, and I will make here dynamic image bat. Okay, and I will call this name. Okay, and finally the price here, maybe price. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, cool, but so we have blah 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 here is cool, the name, but the image not working because I know the reason. So we are in the public folder. Okay, where is it? Public assist image, finally here. So what we're going to do is very simple, assist, which is image. Okay, then image. Okay, let's do this very quickly. What is it? Yeah, image, and assist, sorry, assist. Okay, image gallery by E, and finally this bad boy here. Okay, yeah, so it should work. Assist, okay, So let's see if we get the image, and we haven't get the image. Weird. Okay, so image, not image path, image name. Yeah, cool. So we have our image here. Cool. So because this video get longer, I want to do just quick fix here for this design. Okay, so I need to grab full bootstrap from here, the full one. Okay, and go to the app. I'm currently using the min, so I don't need this. I will replace it by this one, and this should do the trick. So this become, but let's add margin from the top and from the bottom. I believe in auth and login. So if I go in container here and add some margin, okay, cool, from the top, but I need it from everywhere. So yeah, cool. So he add the margin for us now. So let's add from the top and from the bottom, and that's it. Okay, we lost the margin, so let's do from on the card body. Yeah, cool. And I will do from here 5. Yeah, cool. So we have our margin here, and we have, so yes, we cover all of this stuff here. And if you have home and all good, guys. Okay, so create shop page. We make the partial, we make the protect migration, create the seeder, redesign the login, and import the full bootstrap. Okay, I was using the less bootstrap library, but I have included the full one, and add routes to the menu. So yes, we cover all the kind of stuff. The code, guys, will be in the GitHub as usual. If you go here, you see, for example, I have 2 lessons so far. So 1 and 2, this will be pushed as a third branch. Okay, and the final version will be in the main. Yeah, guys, that's all. Yeah, please subscribe and like, and see you in the next one. Bye.